Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're having a great day in your neck of the woods. Beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Okay, today's video is going to be planting a couple of things. One of them is these two little Geums here, commonly called Avens, A-V-E-N-S. This is a variety called koi. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm going to put these here. You can see I've already got the holes dug and the biotone starter fertilizer in the hole. So we're going to get these planted. Pick these up at a local nursery. These little quart things were on sale. I probably will, yeah, they're kind of root bound. Kind of dry too. I need to make sure I get them watered in real quick. Get this one in the hole. Oh, ripped it out of the hole. We'll also going to be planting a early sunrise coreopsis, or commonly called tick seed, bright yellow. It was another one of them that came from this little. Actually, maybe no, that one didn't. That one came from another nursery, local nursery. But I've got 4 little plants at this nursery here. Little quart, they had them buy one get one. So I picked up these, and whoo, man, these roots, root bound. Get this one in the hole. I need to raise this one a little. There we go. See, it's pretty dry too. I need to get these babies watered in. Surprised the leaves are looking as well as they are. Okay, there's those two. Stick this here. And then we'll run over to another bed to put the early sunrise coreopsis spider. Pick up cushions, my knee pads. These old knees need that. Get my biotone fertilizer and get you guys, and we'll head over to the other location. Here's a tiger swallowtail on Miss Molly. Don't know if you can see him. Hopefully you can. He looks like he's had a little struggle with people. He's got a hole in his wing and got one of his tails tore off. Looks like he's been fighting. But he's loving Miss Molly. She sure does smell good. So are the honeybees. Alright, now let's go over here to this other bed and put in this coreopsis here that I've maybe waited a little long to get it in the ground too. Looks like everything's a little dry all of a sudden. Had a storm, had 9 inches of rain in 9 days. Now we haven't had an inch. Excuse me there for hitting the camera. See if I can get this located. Sorry for the camera work again. There we go. Let's see, it won't sit up there. There you go. Well, won't sit there either. How's that? There we are. Okay, guys. How's that look? Needs to be tilted back a little, doesn't it? Excuse me for the clumsiness, guys. Someday I'll get a little more sophisticated equipment, hopefully. Do a better job with this. How's that? Yeah, that looks good. So there you see this early sunrise coreopsis / tick seed. Already got the hole dug again. Poured in some biotone starter fertilizer. We'll get this in there, and you can see it's kind of, yeah, it's gotten dry all of a sudden again. So, ooh, that's going to be plenty high. Maybe should have dug this hole a little deeper. There we go. It's on the slope, but it won't be because you can see here, I'm about to build all this up into and add to this bed. So then that'll work out. Actually, this is going to work out perfect because I need to mound this up higher here too. So that's going to work good. It works out. Isn't it nice how things kind of work out sometimes? Right now it looks a little too high, but when I get some more leaf humus and finish putting these two beds together, this will be mounded up here all over. All right, so that's today's video. I know I didn't give you a whole lot of information. Doesn't seem like I did much of any education on that video, did I? Well, I'll try to do better. Try to have more information for you in future videos. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate the time. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the following. And hopefully everybody's having a great day. And keep gardening, guys. Just enjoy your garden. And please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video at all, please hit the thumbs up. Hope this inspired you to plant more. Have a great day, guys. Again, appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Here's this one now. I'll get it watered in. That wasn't the plant, that was my big ugly self. And again, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.